today. We have got the GS racing truck back out again. Been doing a bit of a speed test, another road test. Been second time on the road. We'll give it a bit of a warm up. Alright, let's warm it up a little bit. Second time on the road, so we'll give it a bit of a wind up down here today just to see what it's averaging. As it gets run in more, it'll get a bit quicker as we go. Alright, what have we got? 46 just of the first gear. I don't know if you see that up that close. I'll have a line over it. Alright, we'll just warm it up a little bit more. We'll come back up here for a good long run. Oh yeah, it's cutting second pretty good. Alrighty, turn it around. We'll come up this end. Oh yeah, it's ready. Smell that fuel. Oh, it's gold. I've broken something. Yep. It doesn't sound right. Oh, I don't know. Felt like something was slipping. Oh wow, that was hooking. Wow, what a bullet. Let's pick it up a few stones. It's that low to the ground. 4 mil off the ground. Alright, what did we get? Okay. Still pretty tight. Let's see if we can get a bit more out of it. Definitely warming up now. You don't get a lot of airflow with the body like that, so it's, you know, I'll just check the temperature on it. .71, oh, it's not that bad. Seems to be handling the temperature quite good. Big long run up, here we go. We're on it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see that jump? Plastic road marker on the road there, look at that, just there. Oh, there might be some damage under there from that. Try and avoid that one this time. Wow, it jumped high, didn't it? I'll have a look under the front here. After that big jump. What do we got? 81k. Yeah, a little scuffy under there. Nothing too serious. 81k. Oh, I think there might be a bit more out of there. Alright, I had a quick look at it for damage. Got a few scratches on the bottom, but otherwise not too bad. Got away with the jump. Looks to be pulling a little bit. Alright, so far 81 Ks. The way it's slowing down there, I might have actually done some damage. It's like dragging. Doesn't feel right. It's like the brakes are coming on, look. Give it one more run down here. I think it's going to need some looking at, this one. Over the 81 Ks. No. Yeah, we could possibly have a little bit of damage after that jump. Very likely. Alright. Yeah, there's definitely something wrong with it. So what I'll do is I'll call it today and I'll bring it back again for another go. There's definitely something wrong. After hitting that marker up on the road there, it's jammed up one of the wheels. It's pulling to the right. Minor damage probably done, so I'll have to have a look at it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. It's broken.